Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is MACOYAH, and today I'll be doing a fairy makeup look. Okay, we need to chat a little bit. I've been gone, and I've been gone for a week. I was supposed to upload this video last Sunday, but girl, the way my life was set up last week, it just hit me, and I kind of like knew ahead of time that I wasn't going to be able to post on time. So this video is about 2 weeks old. So yeah, I'm posting it a day early. I'm gonna try to get this out on Saturday, but if it's on Sunday, whatever. Anywho, I'm gonna tell you what I was doing last week, okay? Last week I was nannying, and also there was homecoming. If you don't know, I went to the University of North Texas, and they had their homecoming last weekend on the 28th. And I just was like feeling like I needed to go. And of course, you know, I was gonna film, I was gonna do a whole get ready with me, but I don't know how I feel about posting like my personal life yet. I just kind of want to do advice makeup. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want to see more like lifestyle videos, because I started off doing that and then I realized no ma'am. But if y'all want to see more videos like that, I know for next time to really just like hone in and record those types of moments. Another reason why I didn't post last week was because stress. Y'all, trying to like film and edit and voiceover and thumbnail all in 1 week when I have just like stress from a lot of things going in different directions just made me not post. But that is not an excuse. Y'all do come first. Like, y'all have showed me the most love on all of my social media platforms, and you guys have been the most consistent, so I will continue to give you guys what you guys deserve. I mean, this sucks because this video was intended for Halloween. It was supposed to be like a Halloween inspo type of makeup look, but because like I was running out of time, it's November and Halloween's over, and no one will be using this video for reference. But I mean, honestly, if I'm being completely honest, nothing screams fairy more than like colors like green and pink and, you know, yellow and flowers and just like very much free and childlike type of like makeup styles. So that's why I named it a fairy makeup look. But you aren't like obligated to, like, if you decide to recreate this look, it isn't supposed to necessarily mean like, oh, only if I gotta make a fairy vibe I can do this makeup look, which is not true. You can definitely wear this look out whenever. It's more so like me trying to test my boundaries and like test my limits to see like how far I can go with makeup. And like, you know, it's not everyday clean girl makeup, everyday soft glam. Sometimes I want to try something different, and this is definitely one of those makeup looks where I was testing my little waters and trying to do something beyond just normalcy. So that was my intent. It was intended to be posted for Halloween, but this look is something that I would be able to wear out. And I got tons of compliments on this, so I was very, very proud of this one. This one was different from like anything I've ever done. Okay, now that we got all of that out the way, now that we're starting on the eyeshadow, I'm telling you right now, if y'all know me, if y'all have listened to anything that I've said in the past, you know that I do not be going hard with eyeshadow like that, because it's just like I have PTSD, girl, from doing the most. So I be trying to like hold back on my eyeshadow, but for this look, like, you kind of have to like show a little bit more. Like, you know, it can't just be just soft every time. After a while, all of my makeup looks will look the same, you know. So I was trying to step out of my comfort zone, so I ended up adding the palette that I'm using, by the way, is the James Charles palette, and I'm also using the Juvia's Place Candy Shop palette. But for the eyeshadow that I'm adding above my crease, I'm adding like a dark green, a light green, and a yellow, just to give like that Sprite top look. And I only showed y'all how to do it on one side just to speed up the video a little bit. I can't just be trying to do both sides, because this video would have been like 28 minutes long. But I also sped it up as well. I'm going back in with my P. Louise Rumor 2 base concealer, and I'm adding that on top of my crease again, just for shape. It's not going to be like a perfect cut crease because that's not what I was really going for. I'm just wanting it to be like a defined crease to where I can add some pigment on there, some new pigment colors, some contrasting pigmented colors, just so we can have something new there. One of my favorite parts about this makeup look is the yellow. Oh, like the yellows are my favorite parts. Next up, I'm going to take this pink that pretty much looked white on me, but I felt like it was too late to turn back. So I took this pink on me and I added it on my lids and I just patted it in. I don't rub my eyeshadow. I try to just pat it down, especially when my concealer is wet, because it'll stick on there better and it'll show up better on my eyes, and you won't crease as much, because if you guys have double lid spaces, you know that you're most likely gonna crease. You are gonna crease, and that's just like what I learned. But I went in and added like 4 to 5 layers. Then I'm gonna take this pink shade in the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and give the illusion of eyeliner. I wanted to have like a little tip on my eyes on the side, so it looks like it's like I have pink on my eyes. So just so it gives it more dimension, and y'all, I was trying so hard to like make it look blended, seamless, and like very structured, if that makes sense. Like I basically wanted you to be able to like stand 4 or 5 feet away from me and like see like 5 different colors. I just didn't want it to be, oh, just pink and green, like, you know. So I was trying to add some more. So I went in to sharpen that line, and then I went in with a purple eyeshadow just to deepen that purple, or deepen that pink, without necessarily showing that I have purple on my lids. It's just like little small things like that, especially when you look up close, that will really make the world of a difference. Next up, I'm taking my Ioni, I don't really know how to say it. I'm gonna take my lashes, and these were so small and so natural, and that's what I was going for. So I was able to add mascara on top of it just to kind of give it like very much lashes, like, oh, I got my lashes done, you know, but I got classics. So that was like one of the cutest parts that really enhanced my makeup. And of course, y'all know me having to use my handy dandy Maybelline Magic Eraser concealer and my Makeup Revolution concealer in C13, and I'm blending that in. And you guys, before I normally add my foundation first and then do my shadow, but because I was working with a lot of powders, not necessarily glitters, but just like a lot of powders, I didn't want to have already done my concealer and then I have fallout. So I just put my foundation on just to have a base, and then I went ahead and did my concealer, which I feel like made my makeup look really, really nice. And I think that was the part that I was waiting for, because during my eyeshadow, it's not that I was discouraged, but I definitely was like, I don't know, like, if it's giving or not. This was definitely a learning curve. I need to like post a picture of my inspo. I ended up remixing and doing my own thing, okay, but I'll show you guys my inspo pic and you guys decide if you guys like it or not. Believe it or not, I'm learning with you guys. I am trying to get more into like editorial makeup looks and more like less conventional like type of makeup styles. I'm testing the waters, and today was like my first time, like, well, it wasn't my first time, but like this was one of my first times like really trying something new on camera. I tried something, I was kind of like going through a rough patch, and I was sitting in my room like, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna freestyle on my makeup, and I came out with this, which it was cute. It's cute. I would do it again, but I think there's just a lot more to learn about editorial makeup, and I want to get into that very, very soon. Some of my favorite influencers are Makeup by Chelsea X. I'll have them on the screen. Makeup by Chelsea X, she does a really great job at having just like the most unique makeup styles in like her lip combos and just her brows, just everything. She plays this, like, she knows how to, like, you know, put herself like in a different character really well. I really, really adore her content, and I'm a huge fan of her. And she's based in the UK, and y'all already know what they be saying about the UK girlies. Like, they have cracked the code when it comes to makeup. There's something that they know that we don't, us US girlies. So I'm a huge fan of Chelsea. So, you know, shout out to her. Another one of my favorite influencers who I actually was inspired by that made me do this makeup look, her name is Glam Brit. So Glam X Brit. She is honestly, oh my goodness, incredible. Like, I just see her makeup looks, and I just question, like, how does she do that? Like, you know, she doesn't have tutorials, or not that I've known or seen. She just posts really nice pictures, and yeah, a lot of people appreciate that. So she's really, really good at doing her makeup, and she always has the right color combos, and, you know, she's really good at just blending. It just looks so seamless. I'm a huge fan of, I'm just gonna assume her name is Brittany or something, because Glam Brit. Another influencer I'm really inspired by is Danessa Myricks. And if you guys don't know who she is, she has just like a really hefty background in the makeup industry, and she also has her own line in Sephora. She's like really known for her foundation products and just her techniques, but also, you know, the makeup that she does on clients, they're insane. Like, they look beautiful. She has like such an amazing way of telling a story with makeup. I am definitely a really, really huge fan of her, and you know, when I get my little coins up, I will be making multiple purchases from this lady. One of the items that I would really like is her like duochrome like eyeshadow glitters and you know, liquid eyeshadows. So I'm definitely looking forward to purchasing those things. So like, there's like so many other like influencers as well, but those are the three that came to mind. And you know, this is just kind of like a side video, one of the ones that I'm testing out to see if you guys like these types of videos or not. This will stay up. I don't know why I would delete it. It was supposed to be for Halloween, but I just honestly, I was too in love with the makeup, and it was too unique and something that I've never done before. And with these types of makeup look, like, you can kind of be free, you know? So I added tons and tons and tons of highlighter. Y'all know me and Diamond Bomb, we are locked in for life. We're never separating. Like, me adding the Diamond Bomb was just like the finishing touch. Like, it's like adding parsley to your favorite meal. Like, y'all know what I mean. Like, I just had to. And honestly, of all the parts of my makeup, this was most likely my favorite part. This is probably my favorite part because, bro, I don't know why adding that yellow right there just enhanced my makeup to the next level. And like, I don't know if you can see it well or not, but I just loved adding that yellow. It just really turned my makeup up for real. Next up, y'all know I'm an avid lip glosser or like a nude lip, but today I'm trying something different. I added my NK Beauty lip liner. I'm using this like berry colored lip liner, and I'm adding that to line my lips, and that will be my liner. And I just, like, y'all know me loving the overline. Like, I got to overline. And I'm making sure that it's lined properly. Then I'm going to take my NYX Abu Dhabi, and that's probably the only like nude matte color that I have that I've worn for years. It's just like so great, and I just like I love how it looks on my lips. So definitely a staple in my book. Then I'm going in with that Diamond Balm just to touch my lips, and I'm giving myself a kiss just to make sure that it's blended and it's like on the screen. Then I'm doing my bottom lashes. Y'all know I was not about to forget my bottom lashes. Like, no ma'am. That's like the finishing touch. That's how you add just, oh no, this is the finishing touch, adding adding my little mole on there. But yes, this is the final look. I hope you guys really like it, and I'll see you guys next week. Let me know in the comments what you think about this makeup, if you like it or not, and or you know, what you would like for me to do for the next week. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.